All right, stateroom 9526 on the Disney Fantasy. We have used our magic band to enter the room. We have put a key card into the slot to turn the power on, and we've got the lights on. You can also dim the lights with these controllers by just holding them down. So this is a deluxe family. It has a split bathroom. They've got the hand soap. There are some shelves, some door hooks. And this is the shower. So definitely split bathroom, 2 sinks, 2 sets. This one has the body lotion, makeup cloth, and up here is for a shaver. So we've got our closets in here. We've got a roll-out drawer safe, life jackets, and another closet, life jackets. This one has cubbies. Got 2 shelves and some drinking glasses. We've got a little drawer. And these are just fantastic for, there we go. Definitely fantastic detail. And of course the runner being Disney Cruise. So you'll see that there is a curtain to separate the 2 areas. And we've got convertible couch. Got armoire, or dresser, got a hair dryer. So we've got USB ports and 220 volts and regular 120 volt systems. More different panels. TV. TV looks actually bigger than last time. Huh. Maybe. Remote. A couple dressers, and of course the infamous ship area. So this one is a veranda. Now for a lot of concerned parents, this has a very high lock for the door. And the door, you have to unlock it like so. All right, so it's unlocked the other way. Spending quite a bit of time on the veranda. Light up there. Very welcoming in the morning, especially with coffee. Some artwork, and individual light. This will turn into a night light at night with one of the switches. And that is it for the room review. So this is a wonderful stateroom, split bathroom. This is a deluxe veranda. This one sleeps up to 3. It does not have the upper berth. Have a good day.